Greetings and welcome back to Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. I am Karen K. Rush, Amazing K, and today is the 5th day of Kwanzaa, and we're going to get into that, and I am so excited about sharing these Kwanzaa principles with you, the Nguzo Sabo. It is awesome time to celebrate, but listen, before we do that, you know what you got to do. Go ahead and subscribe. There is still time. And we're getting down to the wire. You actually have one more day to subscribe and get 3 other people to subscribe so your name can go in a drawing so you can win fabulous trips. We are giving away fabulous trips on the first day of the year. Yes, January 1st on Monday coming up. So if you haven't subscribed already, you can subscribe. And, you can be one of the 3, get 2 other people to subscribe because you have to have 3 new subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed already, you could be one of the 3 and just get 2 other. And your name will go in the drawing because we're going to have that drawing live right here on Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. So go ahead and do that. And like, comment, share. We wanted people to know that what's going on here is positivity and greatness on this channel. Yes. I'm so excited about what the new year is coming. But first, let's talk about what today is. Yes, the 5th day of Kwanzaa. Yes, it is awesome. It's Nia. Nia means purpose in Swahili. And what is your purpose? This is a day to find out your purpose. Find out what it is. This is the end of the year. New Year's is coming. People are making these goals and your New Year's resolutions. So listen, what is your purpose? What makes you happy? What are you want to achieve? What do you want to accomplish? Well, make a goal for that. Make what we call SMART goals. Goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic. Make them realistic. But that doesn't mean don't think outside of the box. That doesn't mean don't think as if there is a box. That doesn't mean don't think big, but realistic as to what you can do. And time stamp. You got to put a time on it. Because a goal without a time stamp is just a dream. And it's good to have dreams, but if we want to have goals is something that we can accomplish, okay? So listen, I have a formula for 5 steps of achieving your goal. First of all, you need to set your goals. Set your goals, and there's all kind of books about that. I have 2 good books that you can use, but set your goals. Make it, in the present, not like, oh, I'm going to do it in the future or this is going to happen. Make it present like I am. If you want to lose weight, I have lost weight. I am at the goal weight that I have. If you want to start your own business, yes, I am a business owner. Make it in the present, okay? Set your goals. Then map them out. Map out your goals. That means make a specific plan. You have to have a plan of action and do baby steps. So you map it out into the minute detail. What are you going to do first? What are you going to do second? What do you need to do? What tools do you need? What people do you need? What resources do you need? Map it out. Yes, write it down. You know what our good book says? Write it down, make it plain. And when you write it down, put it everywhere where you can see it. Put those goals where you can see it. Making sure it's in your wallet, on the mirror that you look at every morning when you're putting on your makeup or washing your face. In the books that you read, in your planner, in your wallet. When you go in and get money, you see that goal that you're going to have more money in that wallet. Yes. So excited about goals. Also, the other thing you want to do is go ahead and execute it. Just do it. Do it and do it and do it and do it. Not to say I'm going to get to it. Just do it. It's going to be such a good feeling when you start checking off those action plan lists, the things that you need to do to accomplish your goal, because you're getting closer and closer and closer. The other thing you want to do, the 4th thing, is get help if you need it. Get an accountability partner. Get somebody that is going to root for you for goals. Not somebody talking, you want to do that? That's a lofty goal. No, get accountability. That's why you can't tell your goals to everybody. You can't, because everybody's not for you. But the ones that are, help them to help you be accountable. This is what we call in our business an accountability partner. Someone that's going to hold you true to your goal. Say, what you're doing? Is that going towards your goal? Is that going to help you towards your goal, or are you just wasting time? What are you doing? So, yes, do that. Don't just sit around and let your goals come back around again next year and you haven't achieved them and you're putting them on your vision board again or your goal list again. Make it happen. Do it. And the last thing, be determined. Be determined to make sure your goal happens. You know what? Self-determination was one of the Nguzu Sabo principle. That was Kuchi That was day 2. Yes. So you want to make sure that you are determined to do these goals. The beginning of the year is a good year to start. That's going to happen in 2 days. Monday, January 1st will be here. And then you just go ahead and start your goal. You don't even have to wait. Start now. Start writing it down. Start making it plain. Start getting that action plan together. And these are going to help you. So this is book here. These are 2 books that I'm going to be reading starting off this year. Because we know readers are leaders. And if you want to be a leader, then you need to be a reader. Okay? And take notes when you read. Don't just read for a story. Take notes, because that will help you to implement what you read. Because what good is it if you're reading self-help books or self-development books and you're not implementing it? What good is it? So that's what, here's one. Brian Tracey, yes, goals. And it's how to get everything that you want, but in a short amount of time. Isn't that something? Get this book. I'm going to be reading it. A lot of my other business partners, we're going to be reading it together. Get some people to read it together, to hold you accountable. Talk about, maybe read 10 pages a day and then have a discussion about it. The other book is The Power of Focus. Because if you're going to have goals, you got to be focused on how to do those goals. So yes, how to hit your business goals, how to hit your personal goals, and how to hit, your financial goals with absolute confidence and sincerity. Because that's what you need to do it. It's all about you. Nobody can do it for you, just you. So with that said, be bold, be blessed, be you. When I say you, I mean your original uniqueness. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to get 2 other people to subscribe so you can go in the drawing. Don't forget to come back here on the first of the year, the first day of the year, to see if you're drawing, if you won. And just have a good time, people. Have a good life. Be positive. Be around positive people. And if you don't know any positive people, you be the positive person, okay? I'm Karen K. Rush. I approve this message. Bye-bye.